campsite and you're not able to use your pressure washer, get yourself a bucket with a little bit of soap in there, with a wash mitt or just a microfiber towel like you have here. Put your polymer infused soap in there. It has a little bit of ceramics, so it's going to add protection as you wash. Take your rag, go ahead, and then just start getting everything, all these bugs off, all this dirt and grime off. Just like this. And this PPF right here is a little beat up over the years of use, but there are a decent amount of bugs still left on it. So we're just gonna go ahead and scrub those off. Get those off here real quick. And to help avoid scratching, kind of just flip your rag every once in a while. Once you got the section that you want clean, take a drying towel, go ahead and just dry it off. Make sure all that water's off there, make sure it's perfectly dry. And a good thing to do is after every time you do any wash, get a little bit of ceramic shield, spray it on a rag for some protection. This is going to help boost the coating, make sure it lasts longer than those 2 years. Spray it on there, swipe it in with your microfiber towel, and then buff it off. It's especially important on the front of your travel trailer where all those bugs hit. It's going to make sure that those bugs aren't doing any damage to your trailer, and it's going to be really easy to clean off in the future. It's a very good habit to get into. And just like that, you're done. If you're interested in any of the products we use in the video, the ceramic shield and the polymer infused soap are going to be on our website. Any of the regular detailing products we use are going to be in the description down below. There's going to be links to them to the Amazon. If you guys enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to us. We're going to post some more videos on how to maintain your travel trailer, how to ceramic coat, so stay tuned. We'll see you in the next one.